In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a cell in Google Sheets. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly, so if you're new to Google Sheets or just not sure where to click, you'll be able to follow along without any confusion. First, go ahead and open the Google Sheet where you want to make your changes. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you have permission to edit the file. Once your spreadsheet is open on the screen, look towards the very top of the page. You'll see the main menu bar with options like File, Edit, View, and so on. From that menu bar, move your mouse to the Insert menu, which is usually located near the middle. Click on Insert. This menu is where Google Sheets lets you add new things to your spreadsheet, like rows, columns, and in our case, cells. Keep in mind that the options you see might change slightly depending on what you have selected in the sheet, so it's important to choose your cell first. Now, look back down at your spreadsheet grid. Click on the exact cell where you want to insert a new cell. When you click, that cell should be highlighted with a border, showing it's currently selected. Take a moment to double check that you're on the correct row and column, because the insert action will affect the surrounding cells. With that cell selected, go back up to the Insert menu. Click on it again, and this time, look for the option that mentions inserting a cell. Depending on your version, you might see options to shift cells right or shift cells down. Choose the option that fits what you want to do. For example, if you insert a cell and shift cells down, everything below that point moves down one space, making room for your new cell without deleting anything. After you select the Insert option, you'll see your sheet update immediately. The cells around your selected location will shift, and you'll now have an empty cell ready for new data. At this point, you can type in your content, such as text, numbers, or formulas, just like any other cell in Google Sheets. If you make a mistake or insert the cell in the wrong place, you can always press Ctrl Z or Command Z on a Mac to undo the action and try again.